Now I am inviting Prabha to say divisibility rules.
Good morning all. This is Prabha studying in 4th class. I am going to explain divisibility by rules. Without activity division we can tell whether a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. These as following. Divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, 3000. Divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, divisible by 4. A number is unit digit 2 digit is divisible by 4. For example, divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is either 0 or 5. For example, divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if unit digit formed by 100 stands and unit digit of the given number is divisible by 8. For example, divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, thank you all.
Excellent presenter. Rules are important in life and also is Max right. Give them an appreciation with your claps, guys.